6वा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री त्रिकोणमिती. तर त्यामध्ये आपण कोसेक, सेक आणि कॉट गुणोत्तर, कोणत्या गुणोत्तरांना कोसेक, सेक आणि कॉट गुणोत्तर असं म्हणतात ते शिकलो आहोत. कोसेक, सेक अँड कॉट रेशियोज. नाउ मल्टिप्लिकेटिव्ह इन्व्हर्स ऑर द reciprocal of sine ratio is called cosecant ratio. It is written in brief as cosec. And therefore cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta. Similarly, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of cosine and tangent ratios are called secant and cotangent ratio respectively. They are written in brief as sec and cot. Means cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. तर इथे आपण साइन थिटा, कॉस थिटा, टॅन थिटा, कोसेक थिटा, सेक थिटा आणि कॉट थिटा असे आपल्याला 6 रेशोज आपल्याला 6 रेशोचा आपल्याला अभ्यास करायचा आहे. तर त्याच्यामध्ये थिटा आपण 0, 30, 45, 60 आणि 90 0, 30, 45, 60 आणि 90 अंश घेणार आहोत. थिटाच्या आपण वेगवेगळ्या किमती घालून आपण एक टेबल तयार करणार आहोत. आता आकृतीवरून आपण साइन थिटा लिहून काढू. साइन थिटा इक्वल टू AB डिवायडेड बाय AC. AB डिवायडेड बाय AC. बट cosec theta equal to 1 by sin theta. Therefore cosec theta equal to 1 by AB by AC means what? AC divided by AB, and AC is nothing but hypotenuse. Hypotenuse म्हणजेच कर्ण. And AB is adjacent, opposite side of theta. Angle C means theta. Therefore cosec theta equal to AC by AB means what? Hypotenuse divided by opposite side. म्हणजे सम्मुख बाजू आणि हायपोटेनस म्हणजे कर्ण भागिले समोरची बाजू, सम्मुख बाजू. नो cos theta means CB divided by AC. But sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta means 1 divided by CB divided by AC means AC divided by CB. Sec theta equal to AC divided by CB. AC is hypotenuse divided by CB means adjacent side of angle theta. Adjacent side of angle theta or angle C or theta. Adjacent side of angle C or theta of angle theta. Now tan theta. Tan theta means sin theta divided by cos theta. Sin theta equal to AB by AC and cos theta equal to CB by AC means AB divided by CB. Tan theta equal to AB by CB. AB means opposite side. Opposite side of angle theta divided by adjacent side of angle theta. Now cot theta is equal to reciprocal of tan theta, multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of tan theta. That is cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta, 1 by opposite side divided by adjacent side of angle theta means adjacent side divided by opposite side. Therefore cot theta equal to adjacent side of angle theta and divided by opposite adjacent side of angle theta divided by opposite side of angle theta. ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशो त्रिकोणमितीय गुणोत्तरे आणि इकडे कोणाचे माप म्हणजे अँगल. आता जेव्हा अँगल थीटा हा 0 असेल, when theta equal to 0 means what, CB हाच अँगल 0 असेल तेव्हा CB काय, नियरली इक्वल टू 0, so that AC equal to AB and sin theta is nothing but CB by AC. Now CB 0, AC suppose 1 equal to 0, 0 by 1 equal to 0. Sin theta, when theta is 0, sin 0 equal to 0. Now sin 30. Suppose this angle is 30. Now opposite side of this angle is 1 and this side is half of hypotenuse, therefore it is 2, and by Pythagoras theorem this side is root 3. Now sin 30 means 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now sin 45. 45. 1 root 2. Now sin 45 means 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Now sin 60. Now this angle is 60. Sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Now sin 90. When sin 90. Now when this angle becomes 90 means what? Here CB is equal to AC and AB is nearly equal to 0. Therefore when sin 90 equal to CB by AC. Now CB and AC equal to 1 because when theta become 90, then this AB is almost equal to 0 and CB equal to AC. Therefore CB by AC equal to 1 by 1 equal to 1. So here we write 1.